welcome back to another video. So today I've got a little polygel kit. I say polygel, it says polygel kit. It's not, it's just 6 polygels. So these are from Rosalind and they are, I'll leave a picture up, it's their rainbow polygel kit. So they're little 15-gram tubes. So we've got a yellow, a green, violet, deep blue, orange and red. So perfect rainbow colours: yellow, orange, red, green, blue, purple. So let's get all these open and we're just going to give them a quick swatch. Right, so like I do with all my polygel, I'm just going to swatch it on the inside of these swatch sticks. I'm using some isopropyl alcohol. They look very, very pretty, don't they? I've only got one other set of rainbow colours, same colours as these from You or Sugar. So yeah, I really wanted some more. So we'll start with the yellow. No numbers or anything, it's just yellow. Right, so yeah, I'm just going to oh, I hate that, it always makes me jump. I'm just going to do it on the inside of the swatch sticks. I'm not going to do a stupidly thick layer because it's just a waste. But I do want to see if it's going to be sheer, opaque or jelly-like. This is quite a deep colour actually. It's quite pigmented. It's definitely not jelly-like anyway. I wouldn't say it's it's a creamy colour, if you know what I mean when I say that. But yeah, it's definitely not transparent. It's quite nice actually. A little bit soft, a little bit, but it's definitely workable. Is that an air bubble or a bit of glitter? Nope, neither. It's a bit of muck. Right, so that's the yellow. Yeah, it's a little bit soft, but I wouldn't say it's sticky or hard to work with. That's a really, really nice yellow. I like that. Right, I'm going to put these in the lamp for 60 seconds. Right, now we'll do the orange. Oh, this looks like a nice bright orange. It does. Again, I'm just doing a thin layer. Don't need to waste it, I just need to see the colours. I've hardly got any alcohol on my brush. I'm going to have to wet it again. Yeah, it is on the softer side, but you can see it's not sticking to my brush or anything. It's alright. That's nice and pigmented as well. It's a nice orange. Couple of bits of glitter in that. Ignore that, it's a bit of glitter, not muck. Yeah, that's a really nice bright orange. I like that. That's a nice bright orange. Right, now we're doing the red. When you're using deep colours like this as well, make sure you clean your brush off because you might get a little bit of colour stick to it from the previous one. So yeah, this is red. Ooh, this looks nice. This looks nice. Yeah, that's very pigmented and opaque. I'm happy with that. This one feels a little bit stickier than the others. But it's not that sticky that you can't work with it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it is sticky, this red one. But it's workable. Ooh, that's a nice red. Very, very nice red. I like that. Right, now we'll do the green. Yeah, I'm really happy with all of these up to now. This looks like a nice green as well. It does. This green does look a little bit sheerer than the other colours, but it's still not transparent or see-through. It's just not as opaque as the others. That's a beautiful green. It's quite a light green, isn't it? I was expecting it to be darker than that. I like that. That's nice. I say it's sheerer than the others. It is still completely opaque. Completely. And these are not very thick layers either. Can you see? It's, you know, it's not very thick. Yeah, that's a lovely green. I like that. Right, 2 more. Now we'll do deep blue. Let's have a look at this deep blue. If I can get any out. Oh, that's a nice blue. I like that. I'd say that's a royal blue, not a deep blue. It's like a royal blue, isn't it? Yeah, this is not very sticky either. That red one was quite sticky, but the rest of them have been alright. That's a beautiful colour blue. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. These are so opaque. I'm pleasantly surprised. They're really, really nice, aren't they? Yeah, I like them. Right, last one, violet. I'm so glad these are not jelly-like or transparent, because when you think of rainbow polygel, you think of opaque, bright, bold colours, don't you? So yeah, I'm really, really happy with these. They are nice. Like I said, just that red one I found a bit sticky, but you know, it was still fine. I just had to dip my brush more than what I've had to with the others. Yeah, this is not sticky either. They're not too soft. They are slightly soft, but they're not too soft. That's a lovely colour as well. Yeah, I'm really happy with these. Sorry, was I off to the left there? Sorry. That's a lovely colour. They are just perfect rainbow colours, aren't they? Right, I'm going to get this one cured. I'll give the back of them a top coat so they're not sticky. And then we'll have a look at them. Right guys, that's them out the lamp. They've all cured nicely in 60 seconds. I'm really impressed with them. I love them. They're really opaque and pigmented. None of them are transparent or see-through. None of them. I will say the red was a little bit stickier, but not too sticky that you can't work with it. I just had to have my brush a little bit wetter on the red one. I don't know why, but yeah, I really, really like them. I love bright, bold colours anyway, so... But yeah, I'm really happy that they're not jelly-like or transparent. That's the back of them. I've given them a glossy top coat. They are beautiful. I really like the blue and the green because they're a lighter blue and a lighter green than what I've got on my other rainbow set. So I like that. The colours are just really bold and yeah, I really, really like them. I do. But that's it for today, guys. Just a quick swatch video. I'll leave the link below to where you can get them. I think obviously you'll be able to get them on Rosalind website. I think they are on Amazon. But yeah, I'll leave links below. I'm really, really impressed with them. I love them a lot. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.